So now we're gonna come up and put flowers up front. Hi guys, how you guys doing? It's Synolve again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me on Patreon so that we can keep Black media going, so we can keep this going and the conversation going. Be sure to like me on Facebook and join me on Instagram and Twitter as well at Synolve. And take a look and hop on over to my website at synolve.com and join my newsletter so that we can stay connected. Okay? All right. So we're going to go up, and hubby's coming now. He's been talking to our neighbor. So y'all see handsome hubby? Here he is. Love my baby. All right, so he built all these boxes, and so neighbors. Hello. Those are pretty doggies. So now we're gonna come up and put flowers up front. And this is the side bed by the side of the house, and so I'm gonna do flowers all the way here. So that's what we're gonna do now. The mint came back, so that's awesome. And now we're just gonna plant these, and hubby's going to inspect my work, y'all. I don't know if I get an F or what, but all right. So let's get these. All right, you guys have seen some of my flowers already. These were $3. Okay, the bigger ones are $3 at Lowe's, and then these are gonna go in. I got these. These are Easter lilies. They're gonna go inside their house plants, and then these smaller ones are $1. And then all of these little dollar ones. Okay? All those little dollar ones. And then all of these, which are mostly $1 also. You'll see that. And see, they're $1. So yeah, so we're gonna get these bad boys planted. Alright, so hubby doesn't think that these little plants think they're weeds. So hubby thinks these little plants are weeds, so we're just gonna pull them up. Alright, so now I guess I'll put these down here. They're full sun. These three here. That's what I do. How about that? What you think, hubby? Fine with you? Okay, hubby said I didn't dig the other ones deep enough, so I gotta figure it out. Uh-oh, y'all. I'll knock you over. How deep? Okay, so how deep to go? Y'all see now? Okay. With this hole here.
You can't dig and sit.
He gonna take my bench I'm sitting on. Alright, so alright. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. Alright, so. Just spinning over.
You need a pillow so you can just get down there and work. Until I got a pillow in there. You can stay down there.
Well, I had a crate last year I sat on or something. Uh-oh. Don't worry about it. So. How you know it's a bad pillow?
I got the gold on there.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Sneeze on that.
You need to be helping because it's gonna rain.
You got it there. We're gonna get trying to fix that stuff like this.
I'm sitting my knees on an old pillow. Hubby went and got me. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, it's my pillow. And I'm bending down on it to get things planted. Okay, I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, you want them deep enough so they're not sitting on top of the ground. Alright, looks like I'm going to get rained on. And to tell you what these are, they are verbena. So, these are verbena. And they are $1. So, that's what these are. That's what I just planted. And so, they're going to be pretty. They're pink. And so now, it's starting to rain. So, let's go over to the next section and try to see if I can at least get it planted before it's a full-on rain. And that's this section here. And these are pentas, and they are yellow pentas. The sun up here is yellow. Remember I talked about that? So that means they're going to be okay in full sun. And they were also $1. They get just, she was just marking them down. So one is in, and let's go over to these two. Let's see.
Take this off. Not coming back. So my ass still got to get him on it.
Hubby's taking this up because it's full of ants. It's the old lemongrass.
Full of ants. If I can get him. Bring a shovel.
You gotta get a real shovel, not just these little digging tools. I don't want to get bit, so they're going everywhere. I don't think I can finish. Alright, so hubby got that up. It's just a big old hole now. And back to planting.
Still that way? Pretty warm back there. Right beside. See? Push him on in there.
Hubby sees a worm. I'll put him in there. Okay. Back in his home. And we're going to put this down and put dirt back around it. Okay, and then we got one more to plant. Yeah, hubby's gonna dig for me. These small tools are good, but the big shovel is so much better. Alright, so pop them in there. Look at that, so much better with the big shovel. Go around it. And there you go. Take this off of here, put it right there. That way I know what this is. It's a petunia or pentas. And then I need to take off one of the other petunias. We'll see. Is this another one? What is this one? Oh, this is a pansy. I did not mean to get her. But, yeah, you can put it in here. Oh, I thought you were going to put the flower back right there.
What flower?
Lemongrass.
You got lemongrass?
No, well, when do we get one?
Oh, okay.
I'm going to leave that for my lemongrass. And then I'm going to go up here and plant these other flowers. See what we got left. Alright. So this is here. Somebody has a goat child somewhere. So this is. Y'all hear that go, y'all? Now this is this one. I'm going to plant this one. So we're gonna plant this one. They're so pretty. Alright, so hubby said last year I didn't pot these, so I'm not gonna pot them this year. I'm gonna just sit them in front. Oh, I just knocked off a leaf, y'all. And then my lemongrass will go in the pot. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so now I'll just have to get lemongrass, and I went to Lowe's to get lemongrass and they were out, so, and they didn't get any more in, so I'll just have to keep looking around until I get my lemongrass, which the lemongrass will go in the pot. Alright, so let's keep seeing what we're gonna do next. Alright, so hubby's gonna put my little bush over here, and it is called a Glitz Euphoria, and it blooms in the summer and the spring, and it's just gonna stay there. So hubby's digging the hole. Chopping up my dirt, and I'm gonna put it in. What we got so far? Go get your olive and we'll get
pack that. You got to pack that in there. Pack it around so it'll feel. There you go. Pack it on around. There we go. So he'll feel like he's doing something.
There's flowers over here too.
One there, one there.
So our neighbor brought us this olive tree. Hubby helped her put her lawnmower together. So that was our package.